Welcome back to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10 users. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to restore the Downloads folder to the C drive in Windows 10. Let's get started. Step 1. Open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in the taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key, +E on your keyboard. Step 2. Locate the Downloads folder in the left sidebar of File Explorer. Right-click on the Downloads folder and select Properties from the context menu. Step 3. In the Downloads Properties dialog box, click on the Location tab. Then, click on the Restore Default button and click Apply to save the changes. Step 4. A prompt will appear asking if you want to recreate the folder. C. Users, username yaw downloads. Click Yes to proceed. Step 5. If you want to move all the downloaded files to the C drive, click Yes when the Move Folder dialog opens. However, if you prefer to keep the downloaded files on another drive, click No. By following these simple steps, you can easily restore the Downloads folder to the C drive in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.